Hey, hi, welcome on my new training on Azure Network. Woohoo! We will go very deep dive on Azure Network. We'll see so many things. So we'll start to see what is a virtual network. Okay, we'll see how to do peering. We'll see how to make two virtual networks communicate together, and we will see also a lot of information about the Azure local gateway. We'll see another thing which is very amazing is the virtual WAN. Okay, virtual WAN is a way to connect all your virtual app in your preferred Azure region. Okay, so you will create some connect app to your existing virtual network. This is an amazing product. We'll see also how to set up and what is express route to have private connectivity between your on-premise and virtual network. We'll cover all the load balancing solution, application gateway, front door CDN profile, load balancer, and traffic manager. Wow, from the layer 3-4 to layer 7. We'll see how to install firewall and also firewall manager. We'll see what is Microsoft Defender. We'll see the regulatory compliance, how to be sure that all your resources are compliant with the network security benchmark v3. We'll cover all the topics about DNS, of course. We'll see a lot of information about WAF protection, about the OWASP protection, MITRE-ATT&CK information also. And we'll cover also how to do privatization with private endpoint and private leak. Woohoo! This is a fantastic training. I hope that you will love it. And please come with me to go deep dive in all the aspects of Azure Virtual Network. See you. Ciao, ciao.